Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I wanted to share with you a couple of messages I received about my Hug for Happiness project. Now, if you don't know what a Hug for Happiness is, this is it. And it's just a little round crocheted circle with arms holding a little heart, and then it's placed in a little plastic bag along with a little poem. So the poem reads, "Hug for happiness. I am a hug made just for you. Just hold me when you're feeling blue. Please put me in a special place and I will put a smile on your face." I had a giveaway for some hugs and people sent them in for the giveaway and I distributed them to different places. And also Katrina from Mindful Crafts and More, she sent in a batch, and then also a girl named Christina R. She sent me in a batch of hugs as well. So I distributed them out to different places. So this is the first card that I'm going to show you. And this is from Hope Children's Hospital in Oak Lawn, and I had sent a batch there, and that hospital holds a special place in my heart. So they said, "Hi Laura, I wanted to say thank you for the gifts you sent to the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit. We were able to share these with our Child Life team to help distribute to all our patients. Thank you for your generosity. Take care." And I just wanted to share that with you because you guys helped make the hugs, and they are appreciated and they were distributed. I also received a card from, oh, it was up here. I think I shared it in one of my lives from the Appalachian Ministries. They had received some of the hugs as well for their children there, the underprivileged children, and they liked it. And then I also got this email that I'm going to read to you right now. And this says, "Dear Crojo Corner, Phil's friends just received 24 little hugs for happiness. They are adorable, and we will place one in each of our next 24 care packages that we ship to cancer patients. We ship an average of 100 care packages each week throughout the United States to children and adults. These hugs are just what we need to help us spread hope to cancer patients. They are wonderful. We would really love to have more of them. Do you distribute them? Thank you in advance for your information and the possibility of obtaining more of them for our care packages. Please see our website for more information on our ministry at philsfriends.org." And I thought that was awesome. They are coordinated with the Hope Center, which is a cancer support group that was in my sister's neighborhood, and she was really involved with them, and she passed away from cancer 4 years ago. So I kind of just want to keep her memory alive, and that's why I started the Hug for Happiness project. And I was just wondering if any of you would like to be willing to make some hugs for happiness for me to send to Phil's friends. And if you don't want to send them to me to get to Phil's friends, you can always send them to Phil's friends yourself. The website is philsfriends.org, or you can just ship them to me and I will gather up a nice batch and send them off. So all you really need is just a little bit of yarn, some scrap yarn, some wiggly eyes, a little plastic bag, and then if you go to hugforhappiness.com, you can print out the little inserts. And then I will link the pattern to the hugs down below this video in the description box. And they're really super easy to make. They only take like 5-10 minutes to make. And I just feel like they help put a smile on people's faces when they are, feeling down. I've sent some to the hospice center where my sister passed away as well. And I also wanted to send some to some chemo treatment centers. But for right now, I would appreciate it if you guys could help me get at least 100 hugs to send off to Phil's friends. Now you can send these to my P.O. box. I'll go ahead and list it down below in the description box of this video, and it's also in my About tab. And let's try and get at least 100 of these to send out so that they could have a whole week's worth of hugs for their packages. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it a lot, and I hope that you can join me in making some hugs for Phil's friends for the cancer chemo bags. That would be awesome. And if you can't afford the postage to send them to me, then maybe you could just whip up a few of these little hugs and pass them out in your neighborhood or something like that. So with that being said, just check out the description box below for the pattern and the address, and then let's get this going here. Why don't we set the date for March 1st? Let's try and get 100 hugs by March 1st. And if any of you ever want to make some hugs and send them to me at any given time, that works too, because I always will be distributing these out as long as I have them to distribute, and as long as I can make them, I will be giving them to places, because it, you know, it just helps people feel better. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget, I do go live every Tuesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I hope you can join me. So I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Lora.